Hi guys! So today, samahan niyo ako as we look for an opportunity for today. So today is Thursday, August 21. And let's see if meron tayong makita na intraday setup for today. So first, we will be visiting our Legendary Trading Academy website. Guys, this is free. Pwede kayong mag-sign up dito ng libre. So, pwede kayong gumawa ng account nyo dito. So, tayo magla-log in dito. So, meron tayo dito economic calendar, which is this one, as a trading tools. And sa economic calendar, may kita natin if meron bang news today. So, today is August 21. And right now, ang mga high impact news natin for US dollar is the S&P, PMI Flash. So, yan, high impact siya ng around 21:45. So, mga around 9:45 PM to. And then, meron din tayo dito at 20:30, which is around mga 8:30 PM, initial jobless claims. Ayan, which is high impact news din siya. So, ngayon, ang interpretation natin dito for this jobless claims, ang kanyang previews was 2 to 4 and ang kanyang forecast is 2 to 5. So, there was a forecast na akit daw yung mga magka-claim na mga walang trabaho. So, meaning, hindi siya favorable sa US dollar. So, yung gold will go bullish if ito yung mangyayari sa forecast. So, ito namang PMI Flash, in general, pabagsak siya yung forecast, okay, from the previews. So, ano ba yung PMI? It is Purchasing Managers Index. Ito naman, this is a monthly survey wherein sinusukat yung mga manufacturing and mga services businesses. Like yung mga new orders, production, employment, supplier, deliveries, inventories. So, ibig sabihin kapag mataas yung PMI, favorable siya sa US dollar, so sa gold, magka-drop naman siya. So, kung weak naman yung PMI, against US dollar siya, so yung gold naman will rise. So, this is how we interpret this news. So, better avoid nyo na lang ng mga around 8:30 PM onwards na mag-trade kasi these are high impact news. So, ngayon, dun tayo muna titingin. Siyempre, sa fundamental analysis, which is yung mga macroeconomics, geopolitical risk, yung mga ganito. Para at least nakikita natin yung bird's eye view muna. And then, ngayon naman titignan natin yung technical. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa trading view and ang asset natin is gold. And nandito tayo sa time frame ng 1 hour. So, meron na tayong drawing dito ng mga supply and demand natin. Demand, supply. Demand, supply. So, kung papansin nyo, yung market is downtrend. Parang tinasabi na downtrend siya. Kasi nakakita tayo ng series of lower lows and lower highs. So, nag-touch siya dito for lower high and then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang tatlong series ng mga lower lows and lower highs. So, this gives an idea na, okay, pabagsak na yung market. So, it's downward trend. So, kapag downward trend, syempre, ang bias natin is set. Kung titignan natin itong 4-hour time frame, as you can see, gumamit tayo ng moving average 200. So, 200 candlesticks to. Ayan, 200 candlesticks. Wherein nakita nyo na nagkaroon ng rejection dito sa area na to. So, ito, nagkaroon ng rejection dito sa moving average 200. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng bearish candlestick dito. So, kung titignan natin to, we're seeing that this area is being rejected. So, there's a high chance na babagsak to. Pabalik dito sa support. So, ang hahanapin natin is short position. So, ngayon, pwede tayo maglagay dito ng sell. And then, ito yung ating stop loss. And for our take profit, I'll put probably somewhere here sa ating pinaka-swing low. So, this gives us a risk-reward ratio of 1:2.93. So, right now, ito yung po yung mga positions natin. And we are negative $56 for this setup. Ayan. So, let's just wait na ibagsak niya doon kung man i-respect niya itong trend line natin. So, here's an update sa trade natin earlier. Currently, we already have a total of $326. It's already 12:25 PM. So, we are approaching the London session in 1.5 hours. And let's see if itong ating setup today will play out. So, what I did is, minove ko na yung SL ko to positive. So, yes guys, hindi nyo naman kailangan i-close agad yung inyong profit. Actually, especially if nakita nyo na babagsak pa siya, like right now. Ito yung setup natin, diba? So, hindi nyo naman siya like kailangan totally na i-close na. Pwede nyo siyang i-move lang yung inyong SL to positive. So, say for example, in this case, this one. Ito yung SL natin, diba? Kung normally, ang nilalagay natin, yung SL natin syempre sa taas ng resistance. But, pwede natin siya i-move to positive kung positive naman na siya. Say, for example, pwede mo na siyang i-move dito. Yan. Tapos, modify mo lang at 3340. So, na-move mo na yung SL mo. So, ngayon, kahit itong presyo na to is umakyat ulit, okay lang, secured mo pa rin tong SL mo na to kasi na-move mo na yung SL mo. So, kahit ma-hit yung SL mo, okay lang kasi positive naman na siya. So, say for example, gusto mo naman bawasan yung lot size. Kunwari, gusto mo mag-take profit na. Ang pwede mo naman gawin dito, say for example, ito, we have 0.05 dito. Slide to the left mo lang, click mo tong, parang check, and then, bawasan mo yung lot size mo. Say for example, gusto mo lang i-take profit yung 0.1. Ayan, 0.1. So, ngayon, na-take profit na yung 0.1, ang natira na lang dito is 0.4. So, ngayon, nandito na ngayon yung 0.5 mo, which is ayan. Yung 0.1. Ayan, na-take profit mo na yung 0.1, which is itong $40. And then, naiwan yung 0.4 dito. So, naka-open pa rin yung trade. So, not necessary na i-close mo yung trade. So, we can just wait na itong bearish momentum, magtuloy-tuloy siya pabagsak. So, yung mga ganong setting of SL to positive and partial profit, mas na-maximize nyo yung setup nyo. Na hindi nyo kailangan essentially na i-close agad yung trade. And might as well, i-move nyo lang yung SL nyo. Pero syempre, meron din strategy sa pag-move ng SL. Kasi syempre, meron tayong tinatawag na average true range or ATR. Wherein doon natin nilalagay yung SL natin kasi baka tamaan lang din siya kasi syempre may volatility na umaakit bumababa yung presyo. So, kakamove mo ng SL, tinamaan siya instead na sana nakakahanap, meron ka sanang entry na optimal, diba? Hi guys! So, it's already 7:12 p.m. So, update dun sa naging trade natin earlier, sa naging setup natin. Right now, we are already like mga around 170 pips ang pinaka-running profit natin dito. Which is actually, nag-close na yung iba. Nag-close na yung iba at naiwan na yung pinaka nasa taas. Which is this one. Ayan, naiwan to guys. Ayan, kasi tight lang yung ginawa natin dito. Positive SL. So, right now, we have running profit of 193. And today, we were able to generate $125 today. Plus this running profit of $193. O diba? It just feels so good. Na nakikita mo yung analysis mo is really working. Yung setup mo is really playing out. Diba? Parang, I'm so happy. Actually guys, pwede na kayo mag-take profit dito if you're happy with almost 200 pips. And sa community natin, ayan, merong nakasabay na 155. Ito, na-miss nila 38 votes. So, out of 193 people, na nandito sa community natin, nakasabay sila. Which is nakakatawa, diba? So, ayan. Ito yung beto natin na signal kanina. This one, ayan. So, currently, nandito na tayo sa TP6. Ayan. TP6 na tayo, guys. Woohoo! So, isang signal lang for today. It took time, yes. Kasi kanina pa natin umaga na set up yun, pero sobrang worth the wait. And let's see if babagsak pa to during the session later. I'll update you guys.